Alrighty, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you can see from the title, today I just have a little bit of an update for you guys and a new uploading schedule. So for those of you who have not heard yet, I did drop out of the respiratory therapy program and am now double majoring in health science and medical assisting. And I will actually be graduating from the health science program this spring and graduating from the medical assisting program the following spring. What this basically means is that I'm gonna have a lot heavier of a course load than I normally have had, and unfortunately that means I do have to cut back from 2 videos to 1. However, if you are subscribed to both of my channels, which the links are always down below, then you will still get your 2 videos a week because I will be uploading here once a week as well as over there, and I may be able to throw in a bonus video every once in a while. But like I've always said, school comes first for me, and I really want to do good this semester and graduate with honors hopefully. And I am taking 6 classes for a grand total of 17 credits. If you guys would like to follow my school journey a lot more, be sure to go subscribe to my second channel because that is where I do a lot of my school related videos as well as medical assisting and health related videos. So from now on I will only be uploading on this channel every Monday rather than every Monday and Friday, and if you guys are curious, I will be uploading every Friday over on my second channel. So I just wanted to quickly pop on here and let you guys know what's going on so that you aren't confused when my uploads start dwindling down a little bit. I hope you guys all can support my decision and choose to stick around. However, once the summer rolls around, I will hopefully be doing my once every other day video like I have done for a few summers now. So that is just my little update for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to become part of the Allie Packa squad, and make sure to hit the subscribe button over on my second channel so you don't miss any of those videos. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!